If you want to be a professional TV presenter and get paid for your talent, then you have to know how to actually do the job properly. And you've got to be able to demonstrate that you can do it properly as well. I can show you exactly what's expected of a presenter and how to do the job properly so you can deliver a valuable performance, the kind of performance that TV production companies and producers want and expect. I'll also show you how you can brand your talent and promote your skills so that you're not just waiting around to be discovered. And I really can help you with this because I've been doing it for years. I've trained hundreds of successful TV presenters, and in fact I've worked with some of the biggest names on television. And I've lost count of how many times I've featured on the BBC, TV and radio, plus I'm a published author on this exact subject. All my guidance and direction is now available online in my brand new TV Presenter Masterclass. I'll take you step by step through the entire process with clear video explanation and detailed ebook descriptions that you can follow at your own pace. One thing that I'm pretty certain of is that the person who's going to get the next TV presenting job that you apply for is going to be doing all those things correctly that we cover in the course. So to get the very best chance of becoming a TV presenter, make sure that you're doing it right as well. There's a little button around here somewhere. Click on that and you can see the full details.